Good morning, students. I am Praveen Thakur here with your Standard 3 English. Welcome back to our English class. Students, in my previous class, I had explained you the chapter The Great Escape and we had done the question answers. In this video, I am going to explain you the grammar and usage portion of this chapter. So, our first one is adjective phrase. So, what is an adjective phrase? An adjective phrase is a group of words that describe a noun or a pronoun in a sentence. The adjective phrase can be placed before or after the noun or pronoun in the sentence. An adjective phrase does the same work as an adjective. So, first, what are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe a noun or a pronoun. We use this phrase to describe more, to make that sentence more interesting to listen and to speak. Now, see one example. A very big bug is chasing me. So, very big is the adjective. Very means describes more. It intensifies the verb, and very big is the adjective phrase. Bug is the noun. So here you can see very big adjective phrase comes before the noun. So a very big bug is chasing me. Sometimes you also say a very fierce dog was chasing me. So very fierce is the adjective phrase. It looks more interesting when you are trying to say to somebody. Now, what is noun phrase? A noun phrase is a phrase where the main noun is a noun with other words or another nouns that describe the main noun. So, the main noun, we know noun, the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Same way, just like the adjective phrase does the same work as the adjective, the noun phrase also does the same work as a noun. A noun phrase is a phrase where the main noun is a noun with other words or another nouns that describe the main noun. Let us see some examples. Underline the expansion. The haunted house in the woods. So, house is the noun and haunted house becomes the noun phrase. Secret garden with enchanted flowers everywhere. Enchanted means magical. So, garden is the noun, secret garden is the noun phrase. A young child. So, child, noun, and young child is the noun phrase. Cuddly creature. So, creature is a different type of animal. Cuddly creature is the noun phrase with a small furry body. Furry means very soft. So out here, first one, house is the main phrase and haunted is the verb. Haunted house becomes the phrase. Now here are some more examples. All the kids are sleeping. So kids means small babies, small children. So this is the noun. All the kids, noun phrase. You are a true mom. So mom, mother, that is a noun. A true mom is the noun phrase. Zelina baked chocolate chip cookies. Cookies is a noun. That cookies means biscuits. And chocolate chip cookies is a noun phrase. Will you talk with this rude person? People. People noun and rude means not good. So you can see these noun phrases when you are speaking, when I am speaking, explaining out here, it looks very interesting. The boy in the blue jeans. The boy in the blue jeans. Boy is the noun in the blue jeans, noun phrase. So how interesting it looks when you are speaking. Told he will go first. Sarah took a long leave to visit me. The sun rises in the east. So in the east is the noun phrase. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. So with this example, do you remember your rhyme in the nursery? Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. So on a wall is the noun phrase. The girl with yellow hair is an artist. Holding the toy, the baby slept. Everyone, all the babies, when we were small, you were small, we also hold the toys and babies, dolls, girls, they sleep. So these are noun phrases that makes the sentence more interesting. The boy in the blue jeans, the girl with yellow hair. Now how interesting it becomes to read and to speak. Now here see, adjective phrase again we have come across. This is adjective phrase in your from your book. Examples. Now here are the fill in the blanks that I have filled it in bold. I am much taller than everybody in the class. So much taller is highlighted, that I have underlined out here, it is in bold. So that is an adjective phrase. The cat looks sleepy, but she is actually quite awake. So awake is the adjective, quite awake is the phrase. He is very strong. So strong describes him, very strong. So very means more strong. The tortoise was slow and steady, so it won the race. So slow and steady is the adjective phrase. I have washed the shirt many times, but you can still see a light brown stain. So brown is the colors, is the adjective. Color, taste, all these are adjectives. It's too hot and sunny. So too hot and sunny is the adjective phrase. A full grown, fully grown, grown is the adjective, fully grown is the adjective phrase. Tiger weighs more than 300 kilograms. So all these words that are highlighted are adjective phrase that makes the reading more interesting. Now let us see the answers of noun phrase. So first one has been done for you in the book. Second, vegetables in the cooker. Where are the vegetables? In the cooker. Legs, long and thin. Teacher. So it describes the teacher, kind and good. Beach, noun. How is the beach? Clean and shady. The period, after math. So legs, vegetables, teacher, beach, the period, all these are nouns. And in the cooker, long and thin, kind and good, clean and shady, aftermath are noun phrases. So that you can see your noun phrases, now adjective phrase, how interesting it makes to read and to speak. So this is all, students. Thank you and take care.